Welcome to the thesis space, English Level 2, Oral Presentation. First, introduce myself. 2. Tell about my trip experience in Girardot. 3. The waiters in Girardot. 4. Recommendation if you go to the Girardot. Next, I am Dicpson Ingles. I am living in the Mesita del Colegio. I am married with Marilyn Reyes. She is my wife. I have a pet. His name is Mona. I like to play in the pool or swimming in the pool. Last weekend, my family and I went to Piscilago. We traveled by motorcycle. We stayed there one day. We liked the ticket price because it was cheap, and I paid 21,000 pesos per person, and lunch cost 25,000 pesos per person. Really, lunch is not very good, but when there are slides. That was what like most of Piscilago. We left there at 5 p.m. and 10 we'll travel home. We arrived at the 9 p.m. and we saved the motorcycle later we went to bed. Girardot is very hot, and the sun's rays are very strong. Oh, what people should do? You should go to Girardot. You ought to eat ice cream in the park and visit Piscilago. You had better drink very much water. Swim at the pool because Girardot is very hot. What people shouldn't do. You should not waste time because you can visit many places. You ought to not walk without cap under the solar rays. And you had better not go to place with anyone because Girardot is very insecure. Thank you.